Okay, I'm here at Zach's Cajun Kitchen. There's the logo. It's on Penn just before Memorial. This is their shrimp and catfish platter. It's not bad. I expected it to be more spicy, but it's not. It's just right. And there's the hush puppies, there's a coleslaw, there's shrimp catfish, and there's a shrimp. If you like Cajun, it's not bad. The catch is a little bit better. They have more stuff. But this is a new store. They just opened up on Monday. And so just wanted to give a shout out to them. This is their tartar sauce and the shrimp sauce. And I mean, it's not bad. But I paid $20 with tips. So maybe not. I don't know. There you go. Thank you.